In this video, I'm going to show you how to add money in Uber Wallet. So this should be a quick and easy process video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So to add Uber Cash in your wallet, make sure you are using the latest version of the Uber app. Open the Uber app, then select menu, then select wallet, select the add funds option, then choose one-time purchase, select the amount you want to add, then select the confirm button. Select your available payment method from the list, and you can activate the option automatic recharge if you want to add Uber Cash automatically. Another thing I want to show you is you can add gift card balance to Uber Cash if you follow these steps right here. You can select wallet again, add funds, then select gift card option. After that, just click on save. So this was an easy and quick process video. I hope this video was helpful. And as always, thank you for watching.